Good morning, dear stakeholders. I am Mrs. Lakshmi Prabha, Assistant Professor of Management Studies. On behalf of the Department of Management Studies, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda, Telangana State, welcome you to the AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored online faculty development program on research methodology, data analysis using SPSS, scheduled from 20th October to 24th October 2021 of this inaugural session. Before starting the online faculty development program, I would take the privilege to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, of the University, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, as chief guest of today's inaugural session. Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy is a well-known academician as well as administrator at Usmania University, Hyderabad. He belongs to Department of Physics, Professor at Usmania University, Hyderabad. Before assuming charge over here as Vice Chancellor at Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda, he served at Usmania University in various capacities like Dean, Development and UGC Affairs, OSD to Vice Chancellor, Usmania University, and as the Registrar of Usmania University from 29th November 2016 to 23rd May 2021. During the time as Registrar, the centenary celebrations of OU has taken place. And he assumed charge over here as Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university on 24th May 2021. After that, we are under the dynamic leadership of him. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting our invitation as chief guest of today's inaugural program. I once again welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
And further, I would like to welcome our former Registrar of Mahatma Gandhi University and today's session 1 and session 2 resource person, Professor M. Yadagiri Garu, to this online FDP. Sir, we wholeheartedly welcome you. Thank you, sir. And further, I would take the opportunity to invite the director of this online FDP program, Dr. Sri Lakshmi Garu. Dr. Sri Lakshmi is presently heading the institution that is University College of Commerce and Business Management in the capacity of principal. Over 25 years of teaching and research experience, she contributed a lot for the academic fraternity. We welcome you, ma'am. After that, I may take the privilege to welcome coordinator of this 5-day online faculty development program, Dr. Ramesh Kumar Miryala Garu. Dr. Ramesh is presently holding the position as head of the Department of Management Studies, Mahatma Gandhi University, and also controller of examinations, Mahatma Gandhi University, Nalgonda. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. Before asking to address the distinguished guests here, I take the opportunity to introduce about the Department of Management Studies, about Mahatma Gandhi University, and the aim of this faculty development program, and about Atal Academy. The Department of Management Studies is having rich knowledge faculty members, both in the teaching and research forefront. We have 14 faculty members in the department running with 3 different courses. One is MBA General Program, 2 years course duration, MBA Tourism and Travel Management course, 2 years program, MBA Integrated 5 years program. From 2007 onwards, this department has produced so many graduates to the job market. And about the university, our university is established in the year 2007 and is one of the fast growing learning centers in India. Accredited with B grade by NAC, ever since its inception, the university is offering various courses on interdisciplinary for the sustainable development. It is offering multifaceted programs in arts, humanities, basic sciences, social sciences, commerce and business management, and also engineering and technology. This university is located in the sprawling campus of 250 acres in Yellaredi Guda of Nalgonda, Telangana state. And about this faculty development program, the main objective of this faculty development program is to put you gaining basic knowledge about statistics in social science research, selection of appropriate statistical technique while analyzing the data and developing hands-on experience in the use of SPSS software. If you can go through the program, the entire schedules or sessions of this FTP is beautifully structured. If you follow them in a serious manner, I can say you would be able to write and publish research papers and thesis as well. Actually, I can say this is a sequence of our last year program in enhancing the research knowledge for faculty as well as the research scholars. And regarding Atal Academy, this academy is established to empower faculty to achieve goals for higher education. Launched by Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Through this academy, it is training the teachers to equip the students with more employable skills to meet the global competencies. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And now I will take the opportunity to invite the coordinator of today's faculty development program, Dr. Ramesh Kumar sir, to address the participants about the program. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. The president of today's inaugural session, Dr. Srilakshmi Garu, principal of University College of Commerce and Business Management, and also the FDB director. The chief guest of inaugural session, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy sir. Resource person for the session 1 and session 2, Professor M. Adgiri sir, who is also the former registrar of Mahatma Gandhi University and present dean of Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Telangana University. Chairperson Board of Studies, Dr. Sarita Madam, colleagues from the department, Dr. Ravi sir, Ramla Reddy sir, Sweta Madam, Lakshmi Madam, Sabina Madam, Paulika Garu, Anuradha Garu, John Paul, Swapna Jyoti, and all dear participants, good morning one and all. Indeed, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to this 5-day faculty development program on data analysis using SPSS. We are overwhelmed with happiness on the response received by the interested participants. Though we have received the maximum count admissible by Atal Academy within a week of uploading the brochure on Atal website, but based on the requests received from different participants from different corners of India, we have once again requested Atal Academy to enable us to add the participants. We thank Atal Academy for keeping confidence on us and enabling us to make this provision. Indeed, this is third FDP being conducted by the department in this academic year, and one more FDP will be scheduled in the next month. Last academic year also we were sanctioned with 2 FDPs from Atal, and I would like to thank Professor Anil Sahasrabudhi, Chairman AICT, and Professor M.M. Poonima, Vice Chairman AICT, and Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary AICT, and also Dr. Amit Datta and Gindarlal Garg of Atal Academy. Thank you so much AICT for keeping confidence on the Department of Management Studies of Mahatma Gandhi University. I also would like to thank Dr. Mini Saji Thomas, a director of NIT Tiruchi, who will be doing peer review of this FDP by participating in this FDP on regular intervals of each session. There was a great pressure on us in shortlisting the participants, and for doing so, we shared a Google form, and based upon the data submitted by the participants, approval was given to them. Thus, we feel all the participants are seriously interested in the subject rather looking for a certificate. At the same time, there was lots of pressure on us to make this program a qualitative one. Luckily, we had good experts in the domain to deliver the talk on the contents shared with you. We wish at the end of the program, you all will get good knowledge in the field and start using SPSS and thus doing qualitative research and ultimately good publications. Let me share the outline of the program. We will be starting the FDP with the concepts of research and fundamentals of statistics and its right use in the research and usage of SPSS and its tools in analyzing the data and drawing inferences from the results. On the 4th day of the FDP, EMAS will be introduced and it will be dealt for the entire day. On the last day of the FDP, a resource person will be addressing the participants on how to publish in top-rated journals. Thus, this FDP not only just focuses on SPSS software, but goes from the fundamentals of research to publishing in a journal. We wish the participants will rightly use this program and seriously commit for acquiring knowledge. Best wishes to each and every participant. Happy learning, and thank you one and all for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for addressing. Now, it's my privilege to invite Dr. M. Srilakshmi Garu, Principal of University College of Commerce and Business Management, and also Director of this FDP program, to address the gathering. Thank you, Madam.
Yeah, very good morning. Am I audible? A very good morning to one and all. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu, respected Registrar P. Vishnudev Garu, former Registrar Professor M. Yadagiri Garu, Dean Professor Channappa Garu, Head of the Department Ramesh Kumar, Chairman BOS Dr. B. Sarita Ma'am, Alwal Ravi, and all my fellow colleagues. I welcome one and all to this 5-day faculty development program sponsored by Atal Academy AICT. One thing I would like to tell to all the participants, the program is going to be very effective, it's going to be very qualitative, it's a practical learning approach that you will be able to have for these 5 days. I welcome all the resource persons are going to be very eminent speakers, very knowledgeable speakers that you are going to have for this particular 5 days program. One thing I would like to express is for our university, Mahatma Gandhi University, Department of Management Studies is doing very well in conducting faculty development programs sponsored by Atal Academy. Last year we had 2 programs sponsored by Atal Academy, and this year we got 4 programs sponsored by Atal Academy. 3 already, third one is going on now, 2 already completed, and 1 more yet to complete in the month of November in the organization Pishika. Data analysis by using SPSS is the theme for this third faculty development program in Department of Management Studies. Data is everywhere available. We don't know how to analyze. If you see in the morning to evening, maybe online banking, maybe Amazon, maybe shopping at Flipkart, or everything that we'll find, it will be loaded like megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes. It's increasing like anything. If you watch your mobile itself, the data, maybe within few hours, it will say data usage is over. You have to manage or you have to delete. The data is available like anything. It's loaded like anything. We need to control, we need to manage which is important, which is not important, which is useful, and to what extent that is going to be useful in our day-to-day life or for the marketing or for the business promotions. That's where exactly analysis will be used by big data, Hadoop. There are n number of programs is going to be offered. But here, what we have to understand is statistical package, especially used for social sciences. That is also advancing like anything. When we were used to study MBA and PhD, we used to find SPSS is of 9 or 10th version. But present today, it is of 28th version is going on. They are charging like lakhs and lakhs of rupees that they're charging. So without having impact on that, how can they are going to promote us? That is our question mark to upgrade ourselves in statistical package, especially for the research, especially for, as I said, data is loaded like anything. How best we can take inputs from that is going to be using software, not only for the research scholars, not only for the professors, it is useful for the business organizations, it is useful for the promotions, it will be useful to each and every one of us. So with this small introduction, I welcome once again all the resource persons, all the participants for this faculty development program. And I congratulate the team of data analysis and spaces analysis, all the technical people, coordinator, resource persons. It's going to be a grand success and hearty congratulations. Please carry on. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thanks for introducing me, Lakshmi Prabha. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your good words and motivation words for to run the entire program in a successful manner. Thank you so much. Now it's my privilege to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, Sir, to address the participants as chief guest of today's function.
Good morning, madam. Good morning to all of you. Professor Sri Lakshmi, the principal of the University College of Commerce and Management, and also the director of this FDP, Dr. Ramesh, the head department of business management and coordinator of this FDP, the former registrar, Professor Yadagiri, and also the dean, faculty of Commerce and Management at Telangana University, Madam Lakshmi Prabha and other faculty members, Dr. Ravi Alwala, and other faculty members of the university. I think our registrar is there. Is not there, no? The registrars are all there.
Yes, okay, sir.
Yeah, and of course, the distinguished participants from different places of the country. First of all, I'm very happy that I think this is the third FDP since I took over from the same department. That's the Department of Business Management. Has been organizing successfully the various FDPs and various relevant themes. And this is the third FDP since I took over. And this is an important actually area. It is on the data analysis using SPSS, statistical package for social sciences. We know the research is not like earlier days actually, where we used to depend on only theoretical concepts and some guessing used to be done. But now with the advent of technology and also the changed situations, when we get the data has to be analyzed. That's very important, not only in social sciences. Of course, I am from science, I'm from physics. We also get huge data when we do some experiment. And ultimately, the data has to be analyzed to get the proper results and proper predictions, proper insights into our research. So the same thing is also has to be done in the case of social sciences also, because now people think that social sciences research is basically on guessing the things and writing some document kind of thing, but it's not so. It's not the case. Ultimately, we get the data, and that data has to be properly analyzed to predict, actually to have a kind of insight into our research result. I'm very happy that there are so many concepts are included in this FDP and basic research, design of questionnaire, of course on SPSS, and accessing of open resources, and also how to publish the good papers. This is also very important because with the advent of technology, advent of internet, websites, several actually predatory kind of journals are also there now in existence. You send the paper today, they will publish tomorrow without peer reviewing, without anything, whatever we send. Even if you send some mistakes, even the grammatical mistakes also people are not looking into and simply publishing in the website, giving everything. And they also claim that they are having very good impact factor. So it's very, very important that we should encourage our researchers as the faculty members. When we do the research, we should be publishing in very, very good journals, having very good impact factor, not the impact factor claimed by these predatory kind of journals. It's also very important. Just don't rush to publish the papers. Don't have any intentions of having number of papers, but ultimately the good quality paper is very, very important. And of course, for publishing a very good paper, the data has to be properly analyzed, where we have to use these statistical tools or some other software packages. And there are so many software packages now in science and in social science also. For example, of course, I know about this statistics because having come from mathematical background, we also use these techniques of the statistical analysis because I basically do research on out of my research. Actually, we get some random data kind of thing, actually a stochastic kind of data we get, and those data we are analyzing that data using some other statistical tools. Even we plot the graphs, we have to go for the mean of the values, then the GSD, for example, standard deviation, geometrical means. So because now normally we are working in the area of radioactivity, where the radioactive data is actually random data. Huge number of data points we get, and that data has to be analyzed. It's just like your social sciences research. But one more thing is that design of questionnaire is also very, very important in social science research. It can be social science research or management research or commerce research. Ultimately, the questionnaire is very, very important. How you design the questionnaire is very important. And from there only you get the data. And of course, you will be analyzing the data. So ultimately, your data depends on your design of the questionnaire also. For example, of course, I'm not commenting on this. I was presented, when I was a registrar, I was presented with a questionnaire by a person, of course, not related to our university, but some other person. And one of the questions is that out of the so-and-so governments, which government do you feel is more inefficient? That means he was having a preconceived notion that all the governments are inefficient, and out of that, which government he wants to know is more inefficient. So this kind of questions, actually, I think immediately I countered him and I argued with him. Ultimately, I have not accepted that questionnaire. I have asked him to change that question because there are so many questions like that. So it also depends on the questionnaire also, because the design of questionnaire is also very important to get a very good data and, of course, for further analysis. So with these few words, of course, I am not an expert in this SPSS package. So therefore, I am not going because I think I am odd man out of among all of you. I think I am the only person who came from the science background. All of you are from business management, commerce, and social sciences. So therefore, I am not going to say anything about this package. Anyway, I congratulate our team, particularly Dr. Ramesh and Sri Lakshmi and other faculty members of the Department of Business Management for conducting this important FDP. I'm sure that this is going to be hugely useful to all the participants. And at the end of the 5 days, I'm sure that all the participants are going to be enriched in this particular area of the knowledge. With these few words, I once again congratulate Dr. Ramesh and other faculty members of the business management. And I wish this FDP all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Before wrapping up this inaugural session, I would like to propose vote of thanks for the inaugural session. Thank you so much, sir, for wonderful inputs. You have elaborated in a detailed manner what could be in the research and what should not be in the research with good examples. So on this platform, I would like to thank Professor C.H. Gopal Reddy, sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university, for permitting us to conduct this 5 days FDP program. As sir rightly told that from this is a series of our programs which we are conducting from the Department of Management Studies, Mahatma Gandhi University. This is the third one. And still we are having another program either which we are going to organize in the month of November. And from this particular platform, I even thank Professor Vishnudev sir, our beloved registrar, in his absence, for encouraging us all of the way in conducting this program, releasing of the brochure and organizing the events. And every time he used to give certain guidelines for us, and we simply follow that. Thanks to Professor Vishnudev sir for your guidance and support. And I would like to thank Professor D. Chennappa Garu, Professor of Commerce, Usmania University, and also Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Mahatma Gandhi University, for his constant support in formulating this faculty development program on this platform. And I even thank Dr. B. Sarita Garu, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, and our Chairman, Board of Studies, Mahatma Gandhi University, for all the way encouraging us. And I would like to thank Dr. M. Sri Lakshmi Garu, Principal and also Director of this FDP. And I thank Coordinator of the program, Dr. Ramesh Kumar sir, and Dr. Ravi Alwala sir, Senior Faculty Member and Associate Professor of our department. And I would to thank all the faculty members of our department. And thanks to Mahatma Gandhi University and its administrative staff for supporting us, and also Atal Academy for encouraging us to perform this particular program in a wonderful manner. And I even thank the participants for registering this faculty development program, and the participants who are presented on this particular online FDP program. I think I definitely say that you will get a good experience, and you may enrich definitely good knowledge after the end of the program, hands-on experience particularly after attending this particular program. And I even thank our supporting staff, Mrs. K. Umarani Garu, and also our office staff, Arjun Reddy and Balraju, for their constant support in formulating, arranging us the physical infrastructure and everything. So thank you so much, all the participants. Thank you very much. And the session 1, we are going to start within 5 minutes. You may just take a break. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.